In Pell City, homeowners value comfort, security, and strong curb appeal. Whether you live in a newer development or a long-established neighborhood, your home's exterior doors play a vital role in protecting your property, improving energy efficiency, and creating a welcoming first impression. When doors become worn, drafty, or outdated, upgrading to modern replacement doors is one of the smartest investments you can make. It's a project that offers immediate benefits while also adding long-term value to your home. Here's why more Pell City homeowners are choosing to replace their entry, patio, and side doors, and why you might want to consider it too. Improved energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Pell City experiences hot Alabama summers and chilly winters, making energy efficiency a must for maintaining indoor comfort. Older doors often have weakened seals, thin materials, or warped frames, all of which allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to creep in. This leads to higher energy bills and uneven temperatures inside your home. Modern replacement doors are specifically designed to enhance insulation and eliminate drafts. Many models include insulated door cores that help maintain stable indoor temperatures, high-performance weather stripping for a tight, energy-saving seal, low-E glass inserts that reduce heat transfer, durable, warp-resistant materials suited for Alabama's climate. With improved insulation, your air conditioning and heating systems won't have to work as hard, resulting in lower utility bills and a more comfortable home. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Your doors are one of the most important security features in your home. Over time, older doors can weaken, making them more vulnerable to forced entry. Worn hinges, outdated locks, and deteriorating frames compromise your family's safety. Replacement doors offer modern security enhancements such as reinforced steel or fiberglass construction, multi-point locking systems, stronger, strike-resistant frames, advanced hardware designed to withstand impact for Pell City families who prioritize safety. Upgrading to a more secure, better-built door provides added protection and lasting confidence. A big boost to curb appeal. Your entry door is one of the first things guests and potential buyers notice about your home. An outdated or weather-worn door can make your entire home feel tired. A modern replacement door instantly revitalizes your exterior, giving your property a fresh, updated, and polished look. With today's extensive design options, you can choose bold colors that make a statement, classic wood look finishes that add charm, decorative glass panels that elevate style, sleek, modern designs that fit contemporary homes. Whether your Pell City home is traditional, craftsman, or more modern, there's a replacement door that perfectly enhances its style. Increased home value and strong return on investment. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, or simply want to add long-term value, replacement doors are one of the top improvements you can make. This upgrade provides one of the highest returns on investment compared to other renovation projects. Potential buyers appreciate improved energy efficiency, updated curb appeal, enhanced home security, reduced long-term maintenance needs. A new entry door can make your home stand out in the Pell City real estate market while increasing its perceived value. Lower maintenance and longer lifespan. Older wood doors can warp, crack, or require frequent repainting. Modern doors made from fiberglass, steel, or composite materials are engineered for durability and low maintenance. These advanced materials resist weather damage, moisture, pests, and UV exposure, making them perfect for Alabama's climate. You'll enjoy less time spent on upkeep, longer-lasting finishes, resistance to warping and rotting, smooth operation for years to come. This means fewer repairs and a door that looks beautiful long-term. Final thoughts. Replacing your home's exterior doors is a practical, high-value upgrade for Pell City homeowners. From improved comfort and lower energy bills to enhanced security and stunning curb appeal, modern replacement doors offer benefits that make a noticeable difference every day. Whether you're renovating, preparing to sell, or simply want a more comfortable living environment, investing in replacement doors is a smart choice that pays off in both the short and long term.